We're going to take a look at two more homophones, break and break. What? Yeah, this break, B-R-A-K-E, is a verb and a noun. Break, the verb, means to stop. I had to brake so I wouldn't hit the car in front of me. Oh, okay. Brake, the noun, is a stopping device. I had to hit the brakes so I wouldn't hit the car in front of me. Got it. Now we have B-R-E-A-K. Break means to split into two or divide or smash. Oh, and break, the noun, means a period of rest. Like you're at work and they say, hey, take a break. Take a period of rest. Got it? Break and break. Why does English have so many words that are so confusing? I don't know, but now you know two more. Can you make a sentence with break or break? Leave it in the comments.